morning all. Today we're going to attempt a new Budgie Boo world record. As you can see, we have all these friends here and these budgie pals. And the record is to see, once we fill this up with seed, how long it takes Budgie Boo to empty it. At the moment, he's just spinning the wheel, getting excited for this new challenge. We're going to put some seed into his seed toy. Haven't we, Boo? Yeah, you know what's in there, don't you? You know what's in there, don't you? Seed, yeah, he's getting excited already. Right, so let me get some seed in there for you. And then we'll set it down. Yeah, don't get too excited. Yeah, we'll put some in there, yeah. That's fine. You getting ready for it? Yeah, look, he's getting all excited. Right, we're going to put that there. Right, we're going to put it there. And going to get ready. And off you go. And as you can see, he's building up. Come on, it's a timer going, Boo. Yeah, look. It's a timer. Come on. Oh, we started, right. And he's off. Don't like the clappers here. Won't be long now before it's all emptied. It's building up. Come on, Boo, there's no chance of you beating your world record here the way you're going at the moment. You have to get the move on. He's doing his best. Come on, Boo, keep going. Don't fail at the last hurdle, keep going. Come on, Boo, you're nearly there. No, two more to go. As you can see, he's pro at this. Nothing's distracting him. He's purely focused on the task at hand. Won't be long now, as you can tell. And I would think that's a winner. It's a winner. What was the time on that, Boo? What was the time? Is that a new world record? I think it's a new world record. Boo's excited. Aren't you, Boo? I don't know where we're going to pin the medal. Good morning. I'll clean his cage up. He's on the table playing. He's got your ball now, isn't he? Good morning. Yeah, pretty boy, yeah. Good morning. Yeah, what's this? You're a pretty boy, yeah. Hello, gorgeous. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Boo, we've got some Christmas presents for you. Look, Christmas present. What's in them? What's in them? Come on, what have you got? You play with your toys? Let's put it all together for you. Yeah, look, what's this? Playing with the wrapping paper. That your bell? Yeah, look at that.